Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am going to be doing something a little bit different in this video. It's going to be a bit of an experiment. We are going to be doing watercolor nails using actual watercolors, not specifically made for nails, just any watercolors you can find at the craft store, at Walmart, at the dollar store. I have never done this before, so it'll be really interesting to try, and I can't wait to see how they turn out. So in this video, I will be using gel polish, but you can probably use regular nail polish or other types of things like acrylic or other types of gel products. I'm not 100% sure about that because I haven't tried it, but I assume you probably can. I just like using gel polish, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video. So I'm starting out with using my Beetles base gel, and by the way, I am just making press-on nails just because I think it's a lot easier, and this is my first time trying watercolor nails, so I just want to make sure it actually works and everything. But anyways, now I am getting my white Beetles gel polish, and I ended up doing 2 coats of that. Obviously you can use other colors. I just personally think white would look the best, and just as long as it's not a super dark color, it'll probably work fine. So this next step is very important, but there are 2 different ways you can do it. So the first way is just using a matte top coat, which I will show you here, and I will also show you a different way to do it if you do not have a matte top coat. So this is very important because the watercolors will not dry on top of a shiny surface, so it's important that you do either one of these steps. So the other way to get a matte nail without having to use matte top coat is just using a buffer. So as you can see, this nail is shiny right now, but after buffing it, the shine goes away. So you really don't have to push down too much. It's actually pretty easy, and it didn't take me long at all. Just make sure you don't buff so much that the color completely comes off. You really don't have to buff that much to get the shiny surface off. Now they are all ready for watercolors. So I found this little art kit I had when I was really young. Like, it is really old. I think it actually might have been my sister's, but I don't really know. We both used it. So yeah, and it has watercolors. So I thought I should just use these instead of going and getting some other cheap ones. I mean, I already have some. So we have all of these colors, a good variety to choose from. I just have a random plastic cup here, and I'm gonna fill it up with water. I also grabbed one of my nail art brushes. This one's really cheap, so if it does get stained, I don't really care too much. So I am starting out with this light blue color, and it went on really nicely, and it actually dries pretty fast. And then I got some pink and put that in a different spot of the nail. And just remember to get the tip of the nail and all of the edges so the whole entire nail is covered with color. And the last color I chose for my thumbnail is yellow, and I am in love with this color combo. It is so pretty. I am going to be doing each nail a little bit differently. So for the index fingernail, I started with a dark blue, and I got some pink and put that on the other part of the nail, and I kind of wanted to do sort of an ombre where it starts out like as blue and then goes to purple and then pink, and I feel like I kind of achieved that, but honestly it looks really pretty in the end. Basically just kept on going back and forth with pink and blue until I had it how I wanted it to look. For the middle fingernail, I started out with some green, and then I did some orange, and I originally was just going to do those two colors, but I thought pink would make it look a little bit better, so I ended up putting a little bit of pink in the middle of those two colors. The ring fingernail, I did dark blue, pink, and yellow, but since the pink and blue blended together, I also had a bit of purple in there. On the pinky nail, I just did a dark blue on one side and then a lime green on the other. You could do so many different nail designs with watercolors. I definitely want to do this again, and I was amazed at how beautiful they were. Like, I love these so much. They look so cool and pretty. I think one of my favorite ones is the thumbnail, but I love all of them. Comment down below which one is your favorite. So as you can see here, I just took my shiny Beetles top coat and I am applying that to all of the nails. Just make sure the watercolors are completely dry before applying the top coat. And here is how they look after getting out of the nail lamp, and I went ahead and put them on off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making these watercolor nails. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I also did want to mention that I am on summer break now, so I might be posting a little more often than I did before, and not necessarily on Thursdays. Before I was only posting every Thursday, but now I might just post once or twice a week, just randomly any day. Plus a couple YouTube shorts a week. I just wanted to let you know that my posting schedule is changing a bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day. Bye!